Beginner's Guide to Vegetable Gardening. Start your green thumb journey. Imagine stepping into your backyard and picking fresh tomatoes or crisp lettuce for dinner. How rewarding. Vegetable gardening isn't just about food. It's therapy, sustainability, and family fun wrapped into one. Whether you have a yard or just pots, you can grow your produce easily. Don't worry if you've never planted a seed before. In this video, we'll provide simple, practical steps to transform your space into a thriving vegetable haven. Let's grow together. The right spot can make or break your garden. Always choose a sunny spot. Plants love sunshine. Aim for 6 to 8 hours of sunlight per day, as most vegetables rely on it for healthy growth. Ensure it's also close to a water source for effortless irrigation. Check your chosen space's soil quality. Rich, crumbly, well-drained soil is perfect for vegetables. If it's too sandy or clay-heavy, don't worry, you'll learn how to enrich it with compost in this guide. Before planting, your soil needs some TLC. Test the soil to check its nutrient levels and pH. Kits are affordable and available at garden stores. Adjust the soil accordingly with natural compost for nutrients or limestone sulfur to correct pH imbalances. Composting is easy. Collect kitchen scraps like vegetable peelings and eggshells in your compost bin. Spread the resulting compost into your garden beds to feed the soil with organic goodness. Plants grow lush when the ground beneath them is healthy. Start with easy-to-grow vegetables. Tomatoes, lettuce, peppers, and radishes are fantastic for beginners due to their adaptability and high yield. Research what grows best in your region's climate to avoid struggling with unsuitable choices. Stay small initially. Choose 3 to 5 types of crops to focus on. This lets you gain experience without feeling overwhelmed. As your confidence grows, expand to new vegetables and experiment. With seeds or starter plants, timing is everything. Check your area's planting calendar for the best season to plant each type of vegetable. Plant too early and frost might kill your crops. Wait too long and you'll miss the growing season. Spacing matters. Overcrowding limits airflow, invites pests, and stunts your plant's growth. Leave adequate space between rows and individual plants. Read the label to know each type's needs. Companion planting like marigolds with tomatoes can boost growth and deter pests. Vegetables need consistent moisture, but avoid overwatering. Keep the soil evenly moist, especially during germination. Early morning watering works best. It gives plants enough time to dry off, preventing fungal diseases. Drip irrigation systems are an easy, water-efficient option for larger gardens. Can't afford one? No problem. Use a watering can, but ensure you sprinkle near the roots, not on the leaves. Stay ahead of weeds by using mulch. Wood chips, straw, or even dried leaves. Mulch blocks sunlight from reaching weed seeds, preventing growth while retaining soil moisture. Regular weeding also ensures vegetables don't lose vital nutrients. For pests, employ low-maintenance organic methods. Attract beneficial insects like ladybugs or use natural sprays like neem oil. Observe plants regularly for early signs of pests or diseases. Be consistent in checking on your garden. Fertilize as necessary. Not all plants need the same nutrients, so use a blend suited to your vegetable lineup. Regular pruning also promotes better airflow and reduces disease risks. Celebrate small wins. Each growing vegetable or blooming flower is your accomplishment. Learning to adjust and improve your methods year by year only adds to the joy. Harvest vegetables at their peak ripeness to enjoy maximum flavor. Use clean scissors or hands to gently remove produce without harming plants. When in doubt, look up specific harvest guidelines for each type of vegetable. After harvesting, store vegetables properly. Leafy greens love refrigeration, while root vegetables can stay fresh in cool, dark places. Eating your freshly picked produce is the best reward for your efforts. There's no better time to take control of your food. Planting a vegetable garden connects you to nature, saves money, and fills your plate with nutritious meals. With the simple steps in this guide, anyone can grow a bountiful garden. Start your vegetable gardening journey today. Leave a comment sharing what you plan to grow. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and inspiration. Let's grow healthy, delicious food together.